My grandmother has been drinking this every single day, and trust me, she looks 10 years younger. Her skin glows, her energy never fades, and everyone keeps asking what her secret is. I'll share my grandma's simple but powerful recipe, a natural drink made from just a few ingredients you already have at home. It helps cleanse the body, support healthy blood pressure, and keep the skin youthful and radiant. Stay with me until the end because the final step is what makes this recipe truly magical. The secret that keeps my grandmother looking so fresh, strong, and full of life, even at her age. The first ingredient is ginger. Choose mature ginger, the kind with a dry, wrinkled skin, deep yellow color, and firm, fibrous texture. The older the ginger, the stronger its aroma, and the higher its natural, beneficial compounds, making it especially supportive for middle-aged and older adults. First, rinse the ginger thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or residue. And don't peel it. As the old saying goes, keep the peel to stay cool, remove it, and you'll feel the heat. That thin outer layer holds valuable natural compounds that may help reduce inflammation, balance body temperature, and enhance the body's natural cleansing process. Small but incredibly beneficial. After washing, slice the ginger into thin pieces so that its natural compounds can dissolve more easily when cooked. If you're not fond of its strong, spicy flavor, this amount will be just right enough to keep the pleasant aroma and benefits while still tasting gentle and easy to drink. When prepared properly, ginger retains all of its natural goodness, allowing this recipe to work at its best, helping support circulation and bringing a gentle, comforting warmth to the body. Which city are you watching this video from? Leave the name of your city in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from and see how far this video has reached around the world. Now that we've finished preparing the ginger, let's move on to the second ingredient, the secret that makes this recipe truly unique. That secret ingredient is onion. Peel away the dry outer layer to reveal the smooth white flesh inside a familiar kitchen staple that's surprisingly rich in natural goodness. Onions contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may help protect eye health, support a fresh, healthy-looking complexion, and slow down the body's natural aging process. We'll need about half an onion. When preparing it, dice the onion into small cubes. This helps it cook faster, release its active compounds more easily, and blend gently with the aroma of ginger. Onion is often called the queen of vegetables because it's rich in flavonoids, quercetin, and sulfur compounds that may help keep blood vessels flexible, support healthy cholesterol balance, improve circulation, and promote both heart health and restful sleep. Does anyone in your family also enjoy using natural remedies like this? Share it in the comments so everyone can learn together. Your small tip might be just what someone else needs to feel better. The next ingredient is garlic, small but truly a treasure of health from nature. Gently crush each clove to make it easier to peel. This also helps activate allicin, a natural compound known for its antibacterial and soothing properties. Garlic may help strengthen the immune system, ease occasional colds, and support healthy respiratory function. Since ancient Egypt, garlic has been used to boost endurance among the workers who built the pyramids and to help them stay healthy. In Greek medicine, Hippocrates, known as the father of modern medicine, prescribed garlic to support digestion, respiratory health, and natural body cleansing. The Romans also gave garlic to their soldiers before battle, believing it helped them become stronger and more resilient. Now that we've prepared the ginger, onion, and garlic, it's time to make the herbal wellness infusion the most important part of this recipe. Place all the prepared ingredients into a pot: the sliced ginger, diced onion, and lightly crushed garlic. Add about 4 cups, 1 liter of water. Then simmer over low heat for about 15 minutes. Simmering it allows the natural compounds such as gingerol, allicin, and quercetin to be fully released and blend into the water, creating a light, soothing aroma with a mildly spicy and slightly sweet flavor. When the liquid turns a soft, cloudy color, that's your sign that the essence has been fully extracted. At this point, turn off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Next, strain the mixture to remove the solids, keeping only the clear, golden liquid with its naturally warm and soothing aroma. This is the most concentrated part, filled with the beneficial compounds from ginger, onion, and garlic that help warm the body, promote comfort, and support healthy circulation. Enjoy a cup while it's still warm. To balance the flavor and soften the spiciness, you can add a slice of fresh lemon. Just remember to remove the seeds to avoid bitterness. Lemon not only adds a light, pleasant taste, but also provides vitamin C, which may help support immunity, aid liver function, and encourage healthy digestion. When the liquid is still slightly warm, add 1 small teaspoon of pure honey and stir until it dissolves completely. Honey adds a gentle, natural sweetness while providing antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help support heart health and boost daily energy. And that's it. Your soothing herbal drink is ready to enjoy. Now you have a warm, soothing cup of herbal goodness, gentle, aromatic, and nourishing, especially beneficial for older adults. Enjoy it each morning after breakfast to help support balanced blood pressure, gently warm the body from within, encourage healthy circulation, and promote overall heart wellness. The mild, spicy aroma of onion and ginger also brings a calming effect, helping to relax the nerves, ease tension, and support a more restful night's sleep, leaving you with a sense of warmth, comfort, and deep relaxation. Store the remaining drink in a clean glass bottle with a tight-fitting lid and keep it refrigerated. Having a warm cup of ginger, onion, garlic tea each morning not only helps support circulation and maintain balanced blood pressure, but also gently warms the heart and uplifts the spirit. A simple, comforting ritual to start your day with calm and positive energy. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.